When two young people, Cheryl Lyn and Howard, had their first kid, they were astounded by their dog's peculiar behavior with their newborn. When they eventually realized what their pet was up to, they were shaken to the core. Howard and Cheryl had been together for around 10 years when they discovered they were pregnant a few years ago. They had tried to have children, but had some difficulties along the road. Cheryl had struggled with the prospect of not being able to have children. Howard loved his wife, and it broke his heart to see her like this. So he went out and bought an adorable, loving dog. When Howard brought the dog home to Cheryl, she was overjoyed. She named the dog Mittens and poured her love into raising and training him. A few years passed, and while the couple enjoyed their life with Mittens, they had never given up on their dream of having a baby together. Cheryl had an idea, but it was a strange one. Mittens were becoming increasingly protective of her, especially when Howard kissed or hugged her. So she slipped away to the bathroom to test her theory. 20 minutes later, she returned to the living room in tears, and it was only when he hugged her that he saw the positive pregnancy test clutched in her hand. Howard joined his wife in joyous tears, and then he went and lavished Mittens with rewards for being so devoted to his mother. What a clever dog. Fortunately for Cheryl and Howard, their dog continued to guard his family for what seemed like an eternity after the pregnancy ended. Cheryl ultimately made it to term and gave birth to a lovely and healthy baby girl, Sky, called after the bright blue tone of Mittens' eyes. Cheryl returned home to find her husband and best friend eager to celebrate and help take care of Sky. Cheryl and her best friend Wanda had become friends right around the time she met Howard. Wanda was the bridesmaid at their wedding and spent a significant amount of time with both of them. She had even helped them find their house. The couple unanimously decided that she would be Auntie Wanda for Sky and were grateful to have the extra pair of hands while they adjusted to this new chapter in their lives. Oddly though, while things appeared to be going very well, Mittens did not seem relieved in the least. The dog continued to guard both Cheryl and Sky and spent the first night with the baby frantically begging to stay near her the entire time. Now this was not the first time this had happened, but if anything, the dog became more agitated than ever. Howard and Cheryl let the behavior slide for a few nights, being so exhausted and overwhelmed. Perhaps the whole house would be confused for a little while as they welcomed Sky into the family. After about a week, Howard began to worry Mittens was following a new routine, where she would guard Sky at night and refuse to go on walks if Cheryl and the baby were not going. This was not the first time this had happened. Howard and Cheryl were both fed up with their dog. It was a tricky situation. They adored Mittens and wanted to retain him, but they were becoming increasingly uneasy with his recent rebellious behavior. Sky's safety was the couple's top priority because they had so much on their minds and so little time to talk about it, until one night when Howard plotted with Wanda to arrange a date for Cheryl. Wanda to come over as a babysitter. It said that Howard could surprise his wife and take her out to dinner. It was a beautiful gesture, and Cheryl gladly accepted the chance to go out for the first time without Sky. When it was time to leave the house, she was quite concerned about leaving her baby. She was grateful to have her best friend there to help, but even Wanda couldn't calm Mittens when Howard and Cheryl went out the door. Cheryl almost didn't go, but then took a deep breath and left, hoping to show Mittens that being apart for a bit wasn't such a huge issue. The pair had a fantastic date that night, and they were able to commiserate over Mittens, as well as discuss other aspects of their lives. Howard was a highly respected government employee who enjoyed sharing tidbits from his job. Cheryl, on the other hand, enjoyed hearing about anything other than Sky, since her previous 2 months had been filled with Sky. It was unfortunate then that Wanda called halfway through dinner to ask them to come home. Apparently Mittens had tried to bite her when she put him in his crate, and he became inconsolable, and she had no idea what to do. When Howard and Cheryl returned home, Sky was in a crib asleep, and Wanda was watching television in the room with Mittens. They apologized to their friends and made sure she was okay. When Wanda left, Cheryl turned her attention to Mittens. The dog was acting very strange indeed. As the front door closed, he calmed down immediately. Howard opened the crate door to let the dog out. The couple stood in confused silence as they decided to go to bed and try to figure out Mittens with clear heads the next morning. Howard awoke remembering the security cameras he had installed in his house a few months earlier. He rushed to his computer to see what had really happened between Mittens and wondered if that would give him a clue as to what had been triggering the poor dog. But Howard was shocked when he saw that the footage from the previous night had been deleted. Perplexed, he searched further through files. Howard felt a shiver ran down his spine when he realized the patterns in the deleted files. The footage was only missing from Sky's room. Almost every night since Sky was born, the images had been deleted. So Howard set up a new hidden camera and backed it up separately from his usual system. He didn't want to scare Cheryl, so he didn't tell her about it until the next day when he looked through the video. Howard ran to show Cheryl immediately, and she started to cry. When the police arrived on the scene to confirm that, indeed, someone was breaking into the house at night, they would climb in the window to Sky's room and leave the same way. Howard and Cheryl were horrified to discover that someone was constantly sneaking into their baby's room. Their horror was compounded when the police informed them that the person in question was a woman named Wanda. Wanda was actually a foreign intelligence agent on a mission to monitor Howard's work in government security. She'd laid the groundwork almost a decade before, first becoming the couple's best friend, and then finding them a home with a small secret room built in the house. Police knocked down a wall in Sky's bedroom to find a little nest of research on Howard and equipment for long-distance correspondence. They also discovered a safe with money and passports. The police searched for Wanda, but had yet to discover her. The parents were horrified at the notion of leaving their fragile infant in the hands of a lady who had just pretended to care for them. Wanda would probably never hurt Sky, but the falsehoods she had told them had made them fear and loathe her greatly. Howard and Cheryl treated their dogs like a hero for the rest of their life because they were grateful for her protective behavior over the baby girl. And that's the end of the story about Cheryl, Howard, and Mittens. What started out as a heartwarming tale about a couple's love for their dog turned into a mystery that kept them on edge. But in the end, they discovered the truth about Mittens' behavior, and it was a revelation that left them stunned. As humans, we often underestimate the depth of emotions and connections that we can form with our animal companions. But stories like this one remind us that our pets are not just simple creatures that exist solely for our entertainment or convenience. Instead, they are complex beings with their own personalities and feelings, capable of love, loyalty, and even heroic acts. In this particular story, the protagonist is a dog who risked his life to protect his owner from a potential threat. While some might dismiss this behavior as simply instinctual, others see it as evidence of a deeper bond between humans and animals. Perhaps this dog sensed that his owner was in danger and felt a duty to protect him, even at the risk of his own life. Thank you for joining us for this story, and we hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more content like this.
Yeah.
Nie mogę być?
What? What?